Travel for mortals, we have another vending machine. This is a Yakiimo vending machine, which is the Japanese sweet potato. I've heard about these, but I've not seen one yet after being in Japan for 2 years. I got Sophia the Ginger here with me. We're gonna give it a shot. All right, putting the money in, 500 yen. Yeah. Okay, so it came out in this little can. That's different. Okay, got the Yakiimo from the vending machine. Didn't eat it at the time because we were hungry. Really excited to give this a try. I've heard about these, but have not had it yet, not seen one yet. But yeah, here's our Yakiimo from the vending machine. It was hot when it came out of the machine, so we could have eaten it then. Okay, Zama Mama here. She's gonna try the Yakiimo. We didn't want to make you wait. This is what it looks like coming out. Typical Yakiimo. Give it the taste test.
Tastes great.
Tastes great. All right, Yakiimo from a vending machine in Japan.